Alright, y'all. Rebuilding a 1.6 liter non-turbo Hyundai Kia. This is a Veloster. So I'm rebuilding the entire engine. There's the block, cams, cylinder head. And I bought this complete engine rebuild kit off of eBay. It's probably the same thing on Amazon. It's just everything's from China. But I just wanted to unbox it so you could see what all the stuff was that was in it and see if it's worth anything. So let's just do it real quick, see what we come up with. We got a head gasket. It's a multi-layer steel, so that's alright. We got a whole bag of gaskets that come in here. Don't need to go through them all, but got your exhaust gasket, intake. I think that's for the valve cover. You got a water jacket and a water pump gasket. That looks like it's a valve cover, rear main seal, crank. Oh, those are the pins for the retaining pins for the piston. Just a bunch of round gaskets you need for the timing cover and such. More gaskets. Looks like water pump, fuel injector, something like that maybe. New seals for the valves, probably throttle body. Yep, so we got intake and exhaust valves in there, or the head bolts all in here for the crank. I got bags we got to open. Timing set, so the timing guides. What else? Easy to get to. Let's get moving. Oh, these would be the main bearings, standard size. These will be the, come on, connecting rod bearings. There we go, using words. What's this? There wasn't a packing list. Oh, here we go. New connecting rods. So I should have 4 of those guys. 2, 3, 4. Yep. What is this? Oh, cam phasers. Comes with new cam phasers. TGDI. I may end up using the ones that came on it that are OEM. I didn't have any timing faults with it, but anyway, you get both cam phasers with it. So they're different. Those are new, they're there. What else? Timing chain tensioner. Piston rings, the whole set. So, whole set of pistons. Timing chain with its little colored guides on there. Oh, these are the intake and exhaust valves all in that bag. Oh, I guess there's 2 bags. One's intake, one's exhaust, but they're both in there. And then an entire crankshaft. Let's see if we Alright, so what's interesting is they give you one in the kit. I guess it's part of the timing kit, I would imagine, if you needed to replace it. But the crankshaft comes with that sprocket already on it. It doesn't turn. let's compare this to the one that came out of the car. Alright, so here's the two side by side. So you can see you need to take your reluctor ring off of your original crank, because it did not come with the new one. It's got some sort of a Torx bit, and you just put it on the new one. Micrometer wise, they appear to be the same size. I just ran it across a couple of the journals and they seem to match up okay, so I think we're good there. But they all look the same. So what I'm noticing here, this bearing inside this crankshaft is not inside this one, and it is not in the kit. So be mindful that this is going to have to be ordered, because I doubt you can just pull that and press it in here. Maybe, but I don't have the tools for it. So it's going to the machine shop anyway. But that's interesting that they don't send that with it included, because you got to have it. So some other stuff I bought that's not in that kit: cabin air filter, regular air filter, oil filter, the Motorrad thermostat, NGK spark plugs, and let's see, a GMB water pump. I mean, there's the code for it. I'll try to link, all the stuff in the description down below. Temperature sensor, and then this is a crankshaft position sensor. The one I have is broken, so I just need to replace it. But overall, I think that's everything I need, outside of course oil and coolant. But parts wise, this should cover the gamut of everything. I wanted to show you just a couple of these O-rings, where they go to what you're going to need. So this is the upper oil pan, and you're going to need to replace this rubber seal here, so it should be in this set. And on the engine block itself, there's an oil passage right here that you're going to need a rubber seal for. Alright, so quick review of just looking at all the products that comes in this kit. They make various different kits out there that include some and not other things, but I thought you might just want to see what's in this one, and I'll link something if I can find one on Amazon that matches this, so just for easy reference, because I'm sure they all come from the same damn place. I ordered mine through eBay, but it was direct out of China through California, so it's just all the same crap anyway. But anyway, hope it helped you out. Thanks.